Hello, have you already read the magazine, Saju? Did you notice any of this strange English? Do you know what are they? These are the pronunciation of Cantonese, just like the pinyin of 普通话 Bopo Mo Fo. This time I want to introduce you the pinyin of Cantonese. So next time you read Saju, you can try if you can spit out some words. If you had learned Cantonese and could speak and read, do you want to communicate in Cantonese with your local friends on SNS like WhatsApp or Line? Cantonese is a dialect with many pinyin systems, unlike Putonghua, which has a unified standard. I think Yuping and Yao are common in use. Yao is more suitable for English-speaking people to study. But since Yuping has more supporting input tools, I personally choose Yuping. Actually, there are not many differences between the two. The most obvious one is Yao's EU, In Yuping, it divided into EO and OE. You can just take them the same. Only in front of the back nasal sound NG and K are written as OE, and the others are EO. The other things you should notice are J and Z. The initials of Yuping does not have Y because it used it in the finals. Here, U San is written as YU. The San U is not easy for foreigners. I think it's difficult for students of different countries to master it, so don't worry too much if you can't pronounce it well. Practice makes progress. Give yourself some time to get used to it. Let me give you some more examples. Su, Sun, Sud. After talking about initials and finals, now let's talk about tones. C, 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 C. You may have heard that Cantonese has 9 tones, while there are 6 only. Yes, if you add 3 sounds ending in P, T, K, in fact, the tones is the same as 1, 3, 6. Therefore, when I write the number of tones, I don't write 7, 8, 9, but its original tone. Let's read it again. C, 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 C. Sick, sick, sick. Do some more tones practice to get the rhythm of Cantonese. 394 052 394 052三碗細牛腩麵三碗細牛腩麵3點半嚟我度3點半嚟我度番茄醬牛腩麵不吃辣番茄醬牛腩麵不吃辣雞仔要同你哋即隻麥雞仔要同你哋即隻麥齋睇貨唔買做乜擦盒齋睇貨唔買 做乜擦盒 Okay, take a little test. Can you write the pinyin of these words? I've put the answers at the end of the video. 香港、九龍、新界、離島、港鐵、巴士、的士、渡輪。Do you know what this 粵拼 mean? The answers also showed at the end of the video. 銀行、書店、超市、學校、圖書館、公園、街市、屋企。Now you know the 粵拼, but how can you use it in daily life? First, let me introduce a tool that can check the pronunciation of single words, and you can also listen to it. There are apps and websites. This website can check a whole sentence and even a whole passage with 粵拼. Well, it also has other pinyin system for you to choose. Copy and paste the sentence you want to check, then select the pinyin and layout. Finally, press Convert. This page is my most used. Another website can not only check the pronunciation, but also read it. But I think its reading speed is too slow, and it has too many advertisements that I rarely use it. But if you want to listen, it's still a good site for you. Remember to select this. It also has other tools for learning. If you are interested, you can check them one by one. I won't introduce them here. Do you want to start using 粵拼 to input tests now? Tell you some ways that you can use. You can type 粵拼 in Chrome. How you turn on this function, you can watch this video for yourself. In addition, you can also choose 粵拼 in Gboard input in your mobile phone or tablet. Check YouTube. I hope this video will help you gain a deeper understanding of Cantonese pronunciation. If I hold another workshop in the future, we can practice more. At the end, if you are interested in a more difficult challenge, here are some daily expressions you can try. Don't worry, I'll read it for you. 你叫咩名啊？你叫咩名啊？唔該等陣。唔該等陣。唔該快啲。唔該快啲。唔該慢啲。唔該慢啲。唔該埋單。唔該埋單。小心。小心。好耐冇見。好耐冇見。洗手間喺邊度啊？洗手間喺邊度啊？我唔知。我唔知。食咗飯未啊？食咗飯未啊？ 食咗啦，食咗啦，未啊，未啊。